Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special episode of The Box Breakers. Here from the home studio office, we've got a special one for you today. We've got 2017 WWE Women's Division Total Divas, featuring fan favorite superstars. We're looking for those Kiss cards. This episode is brought to you by Joe from BookooComix at Home Plate Sports. He's over there on 19th Avenue in Phoenix, Arizona. If you're in the area or looking for a road trip, stop in and see him. Tell him the Box Breakers sent you. We were in there visiting him, picking up a few packs of other things, and got to know Joe a little bit, and he hooked us up with several packs to rip. And we sure appreciate it. We told him we would do a big old thank you video dedicated just to Home Plate Sports and Joe over there. So anyway, check him out. You can see him on eBay, BookooComix, and I'll show his card again here in a little while. But yeah, he threw this one at us and said, hey, open this one. See what you get. See if you get a Bella Twin. Anyway, that's what he wants to see, a Bella Twin come out of here. So, alright, we'll see what we can get going for him. I don't know where my other utensil is. I guess I'll use this utensil. Alright. So anyway, yeah, Joe over there, he knew our other Joe from our normal card shop, and they both knew each other. And they both seemed like really good Joes. Not your average Joes. I don't think your average Joe would have just started throwing packs at me once I told him about the YouTube channel, and he wanted to support us. So anyway, again, thank you, Joe. Appreciate that. Hopefully we get this this Kiss card that you're looking for. Let's see how we do. Alright, so apparently you get one pack. Can't see in there. Nothing. Alright. Maybe we should open the top. I don't know. No, that'll stand up there. Okay, there's our background. Alright, get a little security code on there. Let's see, let's get our stage out here. Okay, perfect. Alright, so make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. We're doing free giveaways all the way to 1,000 subs and beyond. We have all sorts of free items that we're giving away depending on what you're into. If you're into Magic or Pokemon, if you're into football or baseball, whatever you're into, we've got you covered. So let's see if we can see anything special sticking out here. There's a few cards right here, but I think those are regular cards. So I don't see any big, thick cards showing up. Anyway, we'll go through these pretty quick. This will be a shorter than usual video. Not expecting a whole lot out of this one, but again, couldn't have done it without Joe over there at Home Plate Sports. Alright, Ember Moon. I have no idea. I haven't watched wrestling since I was a kid, so I have no idea. Look at that, and there's our first Bella card. That's what Joe wanted. Nikki Bella. So she's from Scottsdale. Went to high school with a couple guys that I used to know, and I think they all said positive things about the Bella Twins. Anyway, they're internationally known at this point. Alright, here's a Roadblock Charlotte Flair. I wonder if she's related to Ric Flair. Here's Mickey James. No idea. MIA Jax. Giving her a big old bear hug. Oh my gosh, these cards are hilarious. Okay, this one's pretty cool. This is from the WWF. I remember her. So this is Macho Man Randy Savage wife or whatever, Miss Elizabeth. Check that out. I have no idea if there's any value in these cards. I seriously doubt it. You know, maybe if you get an autograph one. But that one's pretty cool as far as like a throwback goes. Alright, here's Dasha Fuentes. Never heard of her. Summer Rae. Never heard of her. Alexa Bliss. Guess what? Never heard of her. This guy looks, this girl looks like she's from Jabberwockies. Asuka. Never heard of her. Alright, here is Carmella. Never heard of her. They look like divas. They're in the right pack, that's for sure. Alright, here's Nikki Gross. Debuts with Sanity. Don't know any of those characters, but there she is. Here is Sasha Banks. Looks like she's got the title. Defeats Charlotte Flair for the Raw Women's Championship. Congratulations. What's his name? McMahon picked you to be the champ. Look at you go. If you've never seen some of the behind the scenes, whatever, the behind the scenes of how they make the show, you should go and check it out. The McMahon family has been in the wrestling business before it became really big, and they were kind of the ones that kind of brought it to the masses. So we've got them to thank for that. All right, that last card, Charlotte Flair slaps her father, Ric Flair. Come on now, Charlotte. She must be going to build her heel character, as they say. All right, Alexa Bliss defeats Becky Lynch in a steel cage match. Okay. And here is another WWF, Eve Torres. I don't remember her from WWF. So that must have been like 90s or something. Here's Carmella, Smack Live. Here's Nia Jax. Whoa, I don't think I want to mess with her. She kind of looks like the Purple Power Ranger a little bit right there. Northern Lights Suplex, Alicia Fox. Never heard of her. This person's name is K2. She liked her name Kelly so much, she went with Kelly Kelly. Or we'll just call her K2 for short. Here's Mickie James. Never heard of her. Looks like she's working the crowd. Quite the diva. Alright, we got our second Bella twin. We got the yes lock on, was that Brie? Brie Bella. So these are the ones Joe wanted to see us pull, with some of the Bella twins. And we pulled them both. Check that out. There you go. Code of Silence. Carmella again. Alright, who's this? Maurice? I have no idea. She's on Monday Night Raw, if that's even still on Monday night. Here's Lana. Look at that hairdo. And that suit. Man, she's looking good for getting ready to wrestle. Maybe she wasn't wrestling. Alright, here's Wendy Richter. I do not remember her. She's 5'8", from Dallas, Texas. She was the face of the WWE Women Division, I guess, back in the day, when it was called WWF, before the World Wildlife Foundation went and stole McMahon's family name. Asuka. Here's Sasha Banks. Here's Bailey. She kind of looks like one of the Bella twins, but maybe not. Alexa Bliss. Sherry Martel. Oh, Scary Sherry, I think, was her name. I don't know who she went with. Sensational Sherry Martel was a standout in the ring. She's 5'7", from New Orleans. Oh, she later managed Macho Man Randy Savage when he famously split with Miss Elizabeth. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Alright, here's our second Bella card. We have Nikki Bella. I think she's the more famous of the two. I think she's the one dating, the other wrestler, the movie star. They were on again, off again. I saw it on Entertainment Tonight. Nikki Bella. Cool. Card's a little bit warpy, if you can see that. But it is a little bit warpy. Alright. WWF Lita. No idea. This is Peyton Royce. No idea. And Billy Kay. Looks like another Power Ranger. I think the WWE got a lot of their inspiration for the women's division from Power Rangers. Here's Lalina. I don't know. Lalina Kay. She looks tough. I would not want to arm wrestle her. Check those guns out. She's proud of them. Oh, she's a legend from Hawaii. No wonder. Huh. Okay. Cool. And we have another Nikki Bella card. This is our third Nikki Bella. So I think Joe from the Home Plate Sports would be very happy with our polls here, especially just for cracking one box open. Here's Alexa Bliss. Didn't we already see this card? She looks like Baby Spice. A little bit from the Spice Girls. Don't tell her I said that. I don't want her coming after me and beating me up. Alright, this is Asuka the End. So she's the one that she's from the Jabberwockies, and she left the Jabberwockies to pursue her own dreams. Asuka defeats Nina Jax. Yeah. So this is the end. The end of the beginning, which is appropriately named because that is our final card. Let's run through a quick recap for you. Show you the highlights. Alright. So we have Nikki Bella. Check her out. There she is. Alright, Nikki Bella. We have another Nikki Bella. We have her sister, twin sister Brie Bella, with the ref. Pretty well featured. And then we have another Nikki Bella. And our final one is Miss Elizabeth. I think Miss Elizabeth is probably my favorite card out of the one, just because she's nostalgic, historic WWF person, and brings back memories of Macho Man Randy Savage snapping to a Slim Jim. Alright, so anyway, there's your highlights. Again, thanks to Joe over at Home Plate Sports, where you can pick up cards, comics, and guns all in one stop. Why wouldn't you want to stop in and see them at Home Plate Sports? Pretty cool concept over there. Great guys. Joe, they'll take good care of you just like they did us. They didn't know us from anything, and they hooked us up with several other packs. We'll have another video, another big thank you video for them. We've got several packs to open still of some football cards that they threw at us as well. So anyway, check them out on eBay. Their website is not up or active. We are going to potentially be helping them out with that, but you can give them a call. There's their store hours, their address, and tell them the Box Breaker sent you. Alright, we sure appreciate it, Joe. Thank you. And glad we pulled some Bella Twins for us. If you want any of these cards, Joe, you let us know. If anybody in the comments wants any, we can share any of these other cards with you. I think we'll keep the Bella Twins and the Miss Elizabeth, but anything else we'll share with you. We don't mind. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Next, we're going to have, I don't know, we're going to have some Topps Gold Label. we got all sorts of breaking that we still got to do. So thanks for tuning in to the Box Breakers. Hit the like and subscribe button, the notification bell so you don't miss anything. We upload content almost daily. It's actually more than daily. I just say almost daily to protect ourselves. But we've got free giveaways at every milestone, going all the way to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. So share it with your friends, share it on social media, and thanks for your support here in the community. Appreciate everybody. Everybody's just really great to have on the channel, and appreciate you guys helping us grow here, and we grow together. So let us know if there's anything we can do for your channel, and we sure appreciate all the support. Again, thank you from the Box Breakers. We're out.